In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format visited hyperlink color in PowerPoint. If you've ever clicked a link during a presentation and noticed it stays the same color or turns into a color that doesn't match your theme, this quick setup will help you control exactly how visited links look. We'll do it by customizing your presentation's color theme so the change is consistent across your slides. Start by heading to the Design tab in PowerPoint. Look for the Variants area, which sits to the right of the theme thumbnails. Click the Variants drop-down arrow, then open Colors, and choose Customize Colors. This opens a dialog that controls the color assignments for your current theme, from text and backgrounds to accents and, importantly for us, hyperlinks. Inside this window, find the option labeled Followed Hyperlink. This is the color PowerPoint uses after a link has been clicked. Click the color box next to Followed Hyperlink and choose the shade you want for visited links. Pick a color that's visibly different from your regular hyperlink color so your audience can tell which links have already been used. Aim for strong contrast with your slide background for accessibility and readability. If you're working with a brand palette, use one of the accent colors to keep everything cohesive. You can also preview the color in the sample area of the dialog to make sure it looks right. Once you're happy with the choice, save your custom color theme. In the Name field at the bottom of the window, type a clear name you'll recognize later, then click Save. This creates a reusable color theme tied to your presentation design, so you don't have to redo the work in future projects. Now apply the theme so your change takes effect. If your presentation already uses the theme you just saved, the update happens automatically. If not, return to Design, open Variants, go to Colors, and select the custom theme name you saved. As soon as it's applied, any hyperlink you click during editing or presenting will switch to the followed hyperlink color you chose, and it will stay that way so you can easily track visited links. To confirm everything is working, click a link on a slide to visit it, then return to the slide. You should see it display in the new visited color. That's all there is to it. Quick, clean, and consistent across your deck. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.